Okay, this is a demonstration of the 1901 automatic rifle. He just hit the clown. What are you aiming at now, Steve?
I'll aim at the bell.
Okay. All right, there's the bell. How about hitting the target so we can see the shots?
Okay, yeah. I'll aim at the bullseye if I can. I'll aim at a pop out now, a number 4.
Okay.
Oh, hit 3.
Nice shot. Steve, explain to us what's going on here.
Okay, start out in the bottom. You
Yeah.
got your batteries hooked in series to give you 6 volts.
And how many batteries you got?
4 volts.
And those are reproduction batteries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Production batteries.
Number 6s.
Number 6s.
Right.
You have your wiring harness here that goes to the gun stand.
Right.
Each target
Yeah.
has its own spot,
Yeah.
position.
Yeah.
Your ground bar that goes across to give each target its
Yeah.
reverse polarity. Up here you got a little electric motor for the spinner.
Right.
You have DC coils that pop when you hit the target.
Right.
You have the nodder head that nodded.
Yeah.
A coil up here that pops to make the head nod.
Right. Okay, can you show us the gun stand?
Okay. Put your penny in.
Right.
Push down on it. It cocks the counterweight that makes it sound like you got a gunshot.
Yeah. That allows you to,
Now you can move
right,
the gun,
Right.
which so as you aim.
right,
So if you position that little needle
Right.
above
right,
the bullseye,
Yeah.
you're going to hear 2 bells go off.
yeah. Okay.